Is your Wix website causing you more headaches than happiness? Today, we're going to show you how to turn it off. First, let's tackle hiding your site. Perfect for temporary tweaks or maintenance. Log into your Wix account and go to your site's dashboard on the left-hand menu. Find and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on General Info. This is where you'll find the relevant tools to manage your site's visibility. Scroll down until you see Site is Live. This likely has a green toggle next to it, meaning your site is visible. Click that toggle to switch it to the off position. This immediately hides your site from the public. Visitors will now see a Coming Soon page. Now, let's move on to unpublishing your site. This is similar to hiding it, but it removes the Coming Soon page and fully reverts your site to an unpublished state from your site's dashboard. Look for the Site Actions button, usually in the top right corner. Click on Site Actions and then select Unpublished Site from the drop-down menu. Wix will then confirm if you wish to unpublish the website. By unpublishing, your site will revert to an unpublished state. Finally, if you're ready for a complete clean slate, let's talk about deleting your site. Be warned, this is permanent and irreversible. Head back to Settings on your Wix dashboard. Scroll down, and at the very bottom, you'll find Delete Site. Click on it. Wix will display a large warning message asking you to confirm. Select Delete. You'll likely need to type in some confirmation text to proceed. Once you hit that final delete button, your site and all its data will be gone forever, and that's it. You now know how to hide, unpublish, or permanently remove your Wix website.